Welcome back guys again in my Android software tutorials, and welcome back guys in next part of Android, how to develop a notepad app in Android guys. So in my previous part we have learned how to create database for the adding and for developing the Android notepad app guys. So this is the continuation of the previous tutorial. So now I'm going to design our app, and now we are going to mm, now we are going to perform all operations for saving and adding the notes in Android notepad app. So let's start now. Okay guys, so now I am going to design our app. So in previous tutorial we have just take a list view. We have just took a list view, and now we are going to take to edit box for the saving and adding the notes guys. So and now we need to create the menus for suppose this is a wait a minute. Okay guys, so suppose this is a list view here. So for this is a list view here, and suppose we need to add a new note. So for that we will here we need to create the menus for adding and saving the notes, as we have seen in my previous in my demonstration videos, in my Android notepad app demonstration videos. Here I have taken menus for saving and adding the notes. So we are going to create those menus first of all. So let's create menus now. So for more information about how to create and use the menus, please go back in my videos and see my all videos. There I have added a video for how to add and manage the menus in Android. So let's start and create menus now for creating the new nodes. So first of all I am going to add menu button here. So for that we have to create the menu resource file. So for that here is not available any menu directory. So first of all, so I'm going to add a menu directory first. So right click on your resource folder and click on new, and click on new Android resource directory guys. So I will give the name for this is our menu. So we will select menu from here, resource type menu. Guys, now our menu directory is created, and now in this directory I am going to create a new menu resource file. Yeah guys, I forgot to use Hindi language. Now I will convert it all into Hindi. ठीक है जो हमारे पिछले वीडियो में गाइस जो मैंने आपको एंड्रॉयड एसक्यूएल डेटाबेस क्रिएट करना सिखाया था. आई मीन मैंने हाउ अपने एंड्रॉयड डेटाबेस एंड्रॉयड एसक्यूएल डेटाबेस को क्रिएट किया था. और इस वीडियो में गाइस मैं इस ऐप को डिज़ाइन करने जा रहा हूँ, और अपने नोट्स को कैसे ऐड करेंगे और कैसे सेव करेंगे वो सब मैं करने जा रहा हूँ इस वीडियो में. ठीक है गाइस, सो लेट्स डू इट नाउ. सो सबसे पहले गाइस मैं यहाँ पे मेनू क्रिएट कर लेता हूँ. यहाँ पे जो मैंने दिखाया था अभी, आई हैव टू कट इट नाउ अगेन. यहाँ पे जो मैंने दिखाया था कि अपने न्यू नोट को ऐड करने के लिए मुझे यहाँ पे मेनू आइकॉन चाहिए होंगे, तो वो मैं क्रिएट करने जा रहा हूँ. तो उसके लिए गाइस मैंने यहाँ पे एक फ़ोल्डर डायरेक्टरी क्रिएट की है मेनू रिसोर्स फाइल के लिए. और अब इस डायरेक्टरी के अंदर गाइस मैं मेनू को ऐड करने जा रहा हूँ. मेनू को मैं मेनू रिसोर्स फाइल को क्रिएट करने जा रहा हूँ, और हम उसके बाद मेनू को ऐड करेंगे यहाँ पे. ठीक है, सो लेट्स डू इट नाउ. सो राइट क्लिक ऑन योर मेनू डायरेक्टरी and click on new menu resource file. So this is the menu resource file, so I will give the name menu and menu main, and click on OK. Okay guys, now our menu resource file is created, and in this we will create two menus item. So I think we need only one item for creating the notes. So just click on this text and add the item. Provide your item ID. Right. So this is for creating the notes. So I will give this id name. I will use the id name create note and put here title. Well, we don't need any kind of title, but we can take because it will helpful for finding our menus. Why we took this menu. Title I will use create note. It will not same, it is different from id and title name is different. And now we will use icon for creating the notes. So I mean creating the note. So for that just use this icon. And source I will give I didn't put any kind of icon here, so I'm going to copy icon and paste here. Yes, wait 1 second. This will be save white delete to create. For getting those icon you can visit the Android you can visit the materials website. So just to copy this icon sorry, and paste into your drawable folder in Android Studio. In this we are going to paste. I know this is not good programming practice for pasting the note direct in here. For pasting the icon direct here, and I will name this create. Okay guys, so let's done. Okay, now create is the name of our icon. Click OK. Okay guys, and now we will put our icon in this. So drawable, it is create. Okay guys, now our icon is appearing here, showing it here. You are not looking. Okay guys, one more thing, because it is not showing icon, it is showing the text here. So for removing this, we will just here we need to get another XMLNS for. So just to copy this from here. Let me do this by Android attribute Android. So as an action always it is showing the error because it is saying that the so in a compact library the XMLNS. So we need to use resource auto. So just copy this from here, paste here, and change this one into app, and change this one into resource auto. Okay guys, and now we need to give here app only. Okay guys, now it is fine, this error have gone. Okay guys, now our the adding the notes icon is done. Okay guys, यहाँ पे मैंने adding icon को add करने के लिए यहाँ पे मैंने जो मैंने यहाँ पे जो नोट को ऐड करने के लिए आइकॉन लिया है, उसके लिए गाइज मैंने यहाँ पे मेनू क्रिएट किया है और वो हो चुका है गाइज. सो लेट अस चेक नाउ. Guys, now it is showing here. If you are looking that, let me make this figure. Sorry guys, now this icon will add our node. So when we click on this icon, then it will show a new activity, and then we can add our nodes. So let's do it now. Let's go forward now. Guys, after this, and now we need another activity. For when we click on this icon, then the new activity will open, and then in this activity we will write our node content and title, everything etc. So for that, just right click on your package folder and create a new activity. It is an empty activity. So give the activity name, like I would like to give the name for this activity add note activity. Guys, the change the layout name. Add node layout. Okay guys, and now click on OK, now click on finish. गाइज मैंने अपनी न्यू एक्टिविटी लगाई जिसके गाइज जब मैं अपने ऐड क्लिक आइकॉन पे क्लिक करूँगा उसके बाद गाइज ये एक्टिविटी शो होगी। और इस एक्टिविटी में गाइज हम डिज़ाइन करने वाले हैं अपने टेक्स्ट व्यू को कैसे लिखेंगे, सॉरी अपने नोट्स को कैसे लिखना है और टाइटल वगैरह एवरीथिंग, इट इज ऑल एवरीथिंग। सो गो टू इन योर क्रिएटेड न्यूली क्रिएटेड एक्टिविटी लेआउट, it is we can go from here or okay guys, so this is our new activity and in this we are going to design our two text views, sorry, two edit box for writing the notes. So just to take two edit box, let me check if the recording is happening or recording is running or not, because sometimes my mic is some problems. Hello, is everything fine? Okay guys, now it is running. Okay guys, and now I am going to take two edit box and just to edit box, nothing more beside this. It is relative layout. I'm going to just remove this padding and change this one into linear layout. Sorry, it is no, I'm not going to change linear layout. So create to text view or drag to text, edit text from here. First one is for the note title, and second one is for the note content. Guys, and now we will make some changes in this. Okay guys, and now we can make some more design here. Guys, this is our two edit box for saving and adding the notes. So this is not looking better and looking good, so we will just make this height. So first of all, I'm going to change here something. It will be changed into hint, and hint will be enter the title. Sorry, and the ID I'm going to change this, just edit text title. All everything is same now, and the height I'm not going to change in this. So let me show here. It is some issue here because I just change. Now it's fine. Okay guys, and now we come on the and write content. So this edit box is for the typing the note title, and this edit box for the writing the note content. So I'm going to make this bigger a little bit. So height I am going to this into 400. Yes, now it is become bigger, and the text gravity I'm going to make this change. I'm going to make this change into start. Okay, now it is good. Let's make this color for this. So which color I should use for this background? So I will use the more, I will make the more attractive later. Just in the title here, and this one into change this one into hint, and guys, now it is fine, now it is looking fine. And IDM list I have to change here the text content. Okay guys, and now our designing part little bit it is finished, but I didn't make this more attractive. I will make this more attractive later. So for this time it is enough. Guys, now to edit box have initialized, and after this now we are going to move on, and now we will add some method for saving and adding the note by this edit box and save buttons. Here we also need, guys, menu for the saving the and adding the note here, because there is no button for saving the note. If suppose we write something here and we write something here, then how we can save our note? So for that I'm going to make menus also here for saving and deleting the notes. Okay guys, so not for deleting here, just saving the here. We can use also for delete, but I'm just going to only for saving. So for this we also need create a menus here. So just गाइज मैंने यहाँ पे गाइज डिज़ाइनिंग के पार्ट में गाइज मैंने यहाँ पर 2 एडिट बॉक्स ले लिए हैं गाइज, जो कि हम पहले वाले एडिट बॉक्स से अपना नोटपैड का टाइटल लिख सकते हैं, और सेकंड एडिट बॉक्स में हम अपना नोट के कंटेंट लिखेंगे। गाइज उसके बाद गाइज हमें इसे सेव करने के लिए बटन चाहिए होंगे, जो कि हमने यहाँ पर नहीं लिए हैं। उसके लिए गाइज मैं यहाँ पे मेनू यूज़ करने वाला हूँ, मेनू बटन यूज़ करने वाला हूँ गाइज। जिसके लिए गाइज मैं यहाँ पे मेनू इसे यहाँ पे टाइटल बार में मेनू से दूंगा यहाँ पे सेव का बटन। और जैसे कि आप देख चुके हैं मेरे डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन वीडियोज़ में, जो मैंने नोटपैड का डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन वीडियो दिखाया उसमें, तो देन सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ, डोंट वेस्ट आवर टाइम। So menus create another menu resource file, and this menu resource file I'm going to give the name menu add note, guys. Here we also need 2 menus, not 2, just 1 for saving the note. Just add the menu item here. I'm not going to take some time, I'm just going to copy this menu from here, copy this from here and paste into menu add. It is showing error because we have to also create the XML new. Copy this from here. Change this one into app, change this one into resource auto. That's now it is done. And the icon change, we have to change the icon because it is same icon for adding the notes. So this one we need to delete from here. So delete this icon. For saving the note we need here save icon. So I'm just going to copy my save icon from the downloads, which I have downloaded here. Save, this is here. So this is our guys, my mic connection get lost, so I have just connect that again. So I'm not going to rename this, I will rename later. So copy this icon from here and paste this into your drawable folder. And give the name for save and use this icon here. Okay guys, now icon have changed into save. It is not change. What the, why it didn't get change? something is wrong here. Just trying to refresh. Drawable safe. It is still not get changed. What is the problem here? Okay guys, this will change when I will rebuild my project, then it will get changed. Okay guys, now we have two icons here. So first one for saving the note, and the second one menu for the first menu for adding the note, and the second one for saving the note. Okay guys, so now my menu has created. Let me change this icon here because it is not just creating some problem here, because you may not understand what is happening here. So I have to change this now. Guys, I have this is for something. Guys, I took wrong icon from the folder, so I will delete this icon now, and I'm going to take again. Create, delete, save. This is for save. Copy this now. Paste here. Save. What the fuck is happening here? Now it is changed, but why it didn't get changed in my here? I'm going to remove this. I'm going to take it again myself and write ID for ID save note and write drawable save. We don't need title, we take in title again. Just provide here app. What the fuck is happening here? Okay guys, there was no problem. I have just rebuilt my project. So there was some little bit catch when I add the old icon. So it was happening because of this catch. Okay guys, so let's add again now by using the Android storage action option, storage action attribute, and I'm going to. Okay guys, now it is changed into save icon. You are looking here. Just change this one into app. Okay guys, now our menu has done for saving the note. Okay guys, now our designing part have completed, I think, but we didn't make it more attractive. Let's make this more attractive now, or we can make it later. Okay guys, so now menus have created, and the new activity has created, and now just I'm just going to do this later. Okay guys, and now we are going to move on in our SQLite database UserDB helper. Now we are going to move on our UserDB helper class for adding the method for saving and adding the note in our Android app, in our Android database app, in our Android notepad app. Okay guys, so let's do it now. Okay guys, हमने गाइज मेनू को हमने क्रिएट कर लिया है. हमने दो मेनू क्रिएट किए हैं. जो पहला मेनू हमने क्रिएट किया है अपने नोट्स को ऐड करने के लिए, इसकी जो गाइज हमें दूसरी एक्टिविटी पे लेके जाएगा. लेट मी शो होगा गाइज. जो यहाँ पे मैंने मेनू ऐड किया है वो यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा है आपको, क्योंकि मैंने इसे इन्फ्लेट नहीं किया।